15 stunning glass nail designs that are taking over 2025. Discover the top 15 glass nail designs of 2025 that are trending worldwide. Learn what makes these styles go viral plus expert tips on how to achieve the look. Glass nails are back, and this time they're shinier, edgier, and more artistic than ever. From minimalist shimmer to kaleidoscope crystal tips, glass nail designs are dominating 2025's nail trends across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We consulted top nail artists and beauty influencers to bring you the 15 most viral glass nail designs to try this season, so watch the full video. 1. Crystal clear chrome tips. A modern spin on French tips. Clear acrylics with a mirror-like chrome finish at the edges. Ultra-refined and ultra-viral. Use silver leaf foil and a top gloss gel to get the perfect reflection. 2. Shattered rainbow glass. Inspired by Korean nail artist Park Eun-kyung. This design mimics shards of rainbow glass embedded in a clear gel base. The shimmer catches light on camera, making it pop in motion. 3. Glass aurora nails. Soft pastel iridescence layered into a translucent pink or nude base. A dreamy galaxy-like finish. Recommended by Nail Pro magazine. 4. Frozen ice tips. A crystal clear base with textured frost detailing and subtle silver glitter. Think Ice Queen meets haute couture. 5. Ocean jelly glass. Aquatic blues and greens blend into a semi-transparent base. The ultimate beach glam look. Vacation vlogs, summer content, or tropical themed shoots. 6. Gothic glass nails. Clear black or smoky gray base, topped with black chrome or foil accents. Adds mystery and drama. 7. 3D gem glass. Add miniature rhinestones, crystals, or gems sealed in glass-like gel. These go viral due to their luxury vibe and extreme close-up appeal. 8. Rose quartz glass. A natural stone effect using pinks and whites on a jelly base. Often paired with gold leaf or delicate line art. 9. Cosmic cat eye glass. Magnetic polish inside a transparent layer creates a floating galaxy-like illusion. Use a dual magnet wand for the most intense effect. 10. Glass flame tips. Using red/orange foil and transparent tips to mimic dancing flames. Bold, fierce, and perfect for Gen Z. 11. Butterfly wings in glass. Tiny holographic butterflies encased in clear gel, paired with shimmer. Popular in spring-summer nail trends. 12. Golden hourglass. Warm amber and gold tones with reflective flakes give this look a sun-kissed, luxury aesthetic. 13. Neon glass lines. A mix of translucent color strips inside clear nails, minimalist but futuristic. 14. Black mirror glass. Jet black gloss layered on clear tips, often outlined with chrome or gems. An edgy twist on the traditional glass look. 15. Holographic confetti glass. Colorful confetti flakes floating inside transparent gel. Eye-catching and perfect for parties or festivals. How to get the glass nail look at home. According to celebrity nail technician Nessa Lee, the key to perfect glass nails is layering. Use a jelly polish, apply high-quality foil or film pieces, then seal it all with a thick clear builder gel. She also recommends using UV top coats to enhance longevity and shine. Final thoughts. Glass nails are more than a trend. They're an artistic evolution of the clear nail movement. Whether you love dreamy pastels or edgy chrome, there's a glass nail design waiting for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trend reports and tutorials.